Abby, we're stood in front of your Hurco VM10i. Tell me all about it.
So this is our second smallest machine. Obviously, we got the VM1. This is quite a small machine, quite compact. It's 1.8 square in footprint. We've got 660 in the X movement, we got 406 in the Y movement, and 508 in the Z. So yeah, it still can move about.
So it's a very small machine, but it's very, very powerful.
Yeah.
What about the spindle?
Spindle, 10K. And then we've got 24 stations in our tool changer. So yeah, there's a lot you can do.
So entry-level machine.
Yeah.
Any options that we can add to this machine?
If you wanted, you could go for 4-axis, 5-axis. Obviously, you got your tool and part probe that you can put on there. Free spindle coolant. Yeah, there's lots of add-ons that you can have.
So there's lots to this machine.
Oh, yes.
That you can get. What's the programming like on this control?
Very user-friendly, very user-friendly. As you can see here, this is all done conversationally, no add-ons included. That is all lines and arcs, frames, just all a bit of milling, just on the standard controls there.
So if you're looking for a new 3-axis VMC, especially with the programming on it, this is the machine to go for.
Oh, 100%, especially if you're starting out. Absolutely brilliant machine, nice small one, if you're stuck with space as well.
So lead times on this machine, when can I get it?
Couple of weeks, we've got a few in stock, so yeah, you won't be waiting long.
So if you're looking for an entry-level 3-axis VMC, contact the guys at Hurco.